Hello everyone! Welcome po sa Kusina Sarangani, #is_the_best. Today we're making pompano with spicy tamarind glaze. And we're doing two kinds of cooking method. Isa para dun sa isda, which is shallow frying. And then yung next one is stir frying naman para dun sa ating sauce ingredients. Okay, mag-umpisa na tayong magluto. Andito yung ating pompano, no? So, ang secret sa pag-fry ng isda is actually very easy. Kailangan very dry yung isda nyo at saka dinadust ng flour. So, itong pompano na to, ang ginawa natin, na-season na natin ng salt and pepper at saka na-dredge na natin ng flour. Ang dredge, ibig sabihin, parang nilagyan lang natin ng flour para hindi siya matalsik pag fin-fry natin. And then the way we also prepare this pompano is by scoring, yung pag-score ng ating isda. Ayan. Yung sinabi kong scoring ng fish, ibig sabihin nun, ginilitan lang natin or not slice, not all the way through para mag-permeate yung flavors ng sauce natin later on. So we're going to fry that, and after a few minutes, ito-turn naman natin yung kabilang side para naman yung side na yun ang maluto. Okay, so it's time to turn the fish. So using a ladle and a tong para hindi ka masyadong mahirapan, ito-turn natin yung fish. So makikita nyo na yung ginawa nating mga slits doon sa isda, nagkaroon ng texture yung fish, no? So in a way, hindi siya mukhang boring. Okay, sige, mag-stir fry na tayo ng ating mga ingredients. So, we have a little bit of cooking oil. Ayan. And then, i-stir fry natin yung ating red bell pepper or yung pimiento natin. Really very, very quick. And then, sunod natin yung ating chili. Okay na, it depends kung how hot you want. Ano? This is actually just about the right amount of chili. No? So, we'll just save the rest for garnish. Okay? So, yan ang stir fry. No? Very quick. And ang purpose nito is really to extract the flavor, the aroma ng ating mga spices or yung ating niluluto. So, itong sinunod ko is actually the stem and the root of our cilantro. Okay? So, medyo mauubo lang kayo ng konti. This is the tamarind paste. Okay? Yung tamarind paste, you can actually buy it na nakalata or naka-bottle. So, I added the water right after the tamarind paste. And now I'm going to add brown sugar. This will actually create a wonderful glaze, no? Medyo thickened siya and a little bit more shiny para maganda yung sauce natin. And then we're going to add the patis or fish sauce kung tawagin nila. It's actually a Thai-inspired dish. So, meron tayong gagamitin na KAFFIR lime. So, actually, KAFFIR lime looks like this. They come in twins. Ayan, ano. So, what we did is actually cut it into little bit of strips, no? Ayan. Kung wala kayong KAFFIR lime na ganito, actually sa supermarket and then sa market you can actually find it. They sell it already. Pero meron naman kayong tanim na calamansi. you can actually substitute it, no? Yung calamansi leaves. So this is how calamansi leaves look like. But it's going to be a little bit milder. So we'll allow it to thicken a bit. Yan. And then after makuha na natin yung desired thickness niya, no? So parang a little bit more syrupy, i-strain natin yung sauce and then ipo-pour natin later on sa fish. Okay, so ito na yung ating fried pompano. Makikita nyo yung in-score natin na fish. It gave it a little bit more presentation. Okay, so i-pour na natin yung glaze na ating in-strain, no, over the fish. So slowly, making sure that it goes into the fish. Ayan. Additional chilies, no, on top, just to brighten up, and some wansoy leaves to, no? This is wansoy leaves. Okay, and that is our beautiful pompano with spicy tamarind glaze. Friends, for more recipes, techniques, and tips, visit Kusina Sarangani, #is the best, on Facebook and Instagram. See you again soon. Bye!